From the scorching hot desert to snow-covered mountains, from ice-cold water to a cozy campfire, this is Only Fan Life. Good morning. Yesterday I parked my van in the harbor of Kalp, C-A-L-P, Kalp. And here is also an enormous vertical rock. So I want to climb and hike that today. Well, this morning, and this afternoon I'm gonna drive a little bit to north. The next couple of weeks I will drive to north every day. But for now it's 6 o'clock. I'm still a little bit tired. You have to make an online registration to enter the park, so I just did, and now I'm allowed to go in. I think I will be just fine, no problem. This is cool. You have to go through a tunnel to reach the top. Ah! This is as far as I can go. Only 300 people, they are allowed on top. I think it's to protect wildlife. It's strange, if you go inland, you can climb every mountain you want, people don't give a. But here, you have to show your passport, you need a telephone, you're only allowed to stay on the trail. But it's a nice place. This is what you get when you scare a seagull. They take revenge on your car.
Subscribe for more OnlyFan.